If you guys are enjoying this content, have found it helpful, and would like to support the channel, consider becoming a channel member today for access to exclusive content and much more. You guys, it's very easy to become a member. Simply click on the join button on the main channel page, then select the member tier that you would like to join. There are 4 member tiers to choose from. Simply choose the member tier that best fits your desired exclusive content. Let's break it down. The entry-level Inverter membership tier is only $2.99 a month and gives you special loyalty badges that appear next to your name when you are commenting on videos and content. You'll also receive special member shoutouts during videos, and I'll give you priority response to comments and questions. This is a great way to show your appreciation for the content and receive a little something in return. For the VRF Rock-Stars out there who know the value of investing up front, the $6.99 membership tier gives you everything from the previous tier, plus early access to videos that have not yet been released. You'll also gain access to member exclusive polls and feedback, which offers a great way for you to get involved with the content selection of the channel. Button pushers will be button pushers. There's not much more needed here. This membership tier is for committed, loyal fans of the channel who want to show how much this channel has helped them learn. Members will receive exclusive videos not available to the public, members-only live streams, plus all the perks that came in the previous 2 tiers. There is one last tier that only the craziest of fans will select, and that is the Give Me More tier. With this membership tier, you will receive all previous perks, plus access to virtual video project collaborations. Imagine that you have a project that you're designing and you'd like to Zoom call to discuss some options or strategies. The Give Me More tier is your way to collaborate with me, plus receive dedicated shoutouts in videos and content. Regardless of the tier that you guys select, your support goes a long way to help educate the thousands of people who are interested in learning more about the inverter technology. I greatly appreciate all of your guys' support, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day.